after the gym. I just finished up hitting legs and shoulders, and now we do some sirloin steak stir fry. So follow along and enjoy the process. Here you go, got peppers, broccoli, got my steak, cooking my rice over there. So yeah, enjoy the video. All right now guys, first we're gonna cut up the vegetables, the broccoli and the peppers. Right now guys, I cut up the vegetables and toss it to the pan. Remember this, see real growth in your body. What you put in your food, what you put in your system, what you eat will create your abs to show, and you can eat the right food to see true progress for more muscle growth. Because abs are always made in the kitchen. You know? So I always cut up the vegetables along the way. My broccoli and my peppers. So yeah guys, make sure you always cut it up evenly, the way you should. Right across. Just know guys, it's always important to cut up your vegetables first to prevent your food from burning. So also put your rice beforehand too, let it boil. So yeah, here's my peppers and my broccoli cut up. Right now guys, making some brown rice. Make sure you always boil it before you put the rice in. And always wash it before you put the rice in. And right now guys, I'm gonna put the sirloin steak bites into the pan. I'm gonna add the seasonings, and this is what kind of seasonings I put into my pan, into my food. So yeah, let's go along with me. Remember this guys, every day you have to be consistent to see growth along the way. You have to eat the right food to promote your muscle growth and be stable within your calories of what you eat and controlling what you eat one day at a time. So yeah, let's get on with it. First, we already added in the oil. Just let it go in evenly. I'm gonna do it again for you. Put it right in there. And now, I'm gonna add the sirloin steak bites to it. And now, let's go add the sirloin steaks. One. Oh, failed. Oh well. There goes the first sirloin steak bite into the pan. And now we're gonna add the second sirloin steak bites into the pan. There you go. Just remember this guys, you should always let it cook thoroughly with the sirloin steak bites before you add the seasoning in it so you don't burn it. So take your time as you cook this and always let your process and let your gains grow one day at a time. Now, make sure guys you always add your salt or sea salt and pepper into your sirloin steak bites so that you actually keep the moisture inside the steak. We're going to add the salt first, the sea salt. Just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Stir it up a little bit. Put the seasoning into it. Now, you get the pepper into it, or the black grounded pepper. Spread it out evenly. A smoky taste, you know? Get those gains flowing, build your muscle. And now we're gonna add the other seasonings. We got Carolina style cashew seasoning, paprika, and garlic powder. Add it right into it. Add it to the rice as well. Now we're gonna add the Carolina style cashew spicy seasoning. Add the onion powder into it. Put it to the rice. Right now guys, we're going to add the broccoli and the peppers into the sirloin steak pan. So yes, it look good one day at a time. And now guys, we're going to slide in the broccoli and the peppers into the pan. Evenly so. Put all of it into the pan. now guys, I'm gonna put the cap on top of the pan to let it cook thoroughly. So let's get back to it soon. My peppers, my broccoli, and my steak bites are thoroughly cooked. And then we're gonna put the rice into the pot, into the pan. Then I'm going to stir up the stir fry. Let it spread out evenly. I'm going to add some more oil into the pan. I'm going to close the lid. Now I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes. For a few minutes, you know. Say 2 to 3 minutes. Let it sit inside the pan. I'm turn up low heat at 3 on a large burner. Eat the right food and put in the right nutrients in your body. Because when your abs in your body is made in the kitchen, off the gym, because you don't see progress if you consume too much sugar, too much high amount of fructose corn syrup into your body you don't want. So eat the right food, see progress in your gains, and eat clean because you have more energy that way. So focus and pay attention along the way. Never lose hope within where you want to be in life, one day at a time. Just believe in that. Alright, you go guys. Getting the pan off. Finish up my meal. Some peppers with some broccoli, some steak bites with the rice, all thoroughly cooking up for a few minutes in a boiling state. Here you go guys, should be all done. Here's my prepped meals or containers for the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stir fry containers with sirloin steak bites, broccoli, peppers, brown rice. You know the deal. But now guys, got my meal prep containers for the week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are some days if I'm hungry, I can eat some more. So I got stir fry, sirloin steak bites, some brown rice, onions, peppers, and some sirloin steaks and some brown rice, I should say. So yeah, here's my stir fry. You gotta learn to be consistent one day at a time. Eat the right food. Always be consistent of where you want to be in life, and when you're on your fitness journey, one day at a time. So yeah, there's my prepped meals for the week and for my post-workout meals. If you enjoyed the video.
Pull up.